In 2024, making money with digital products has become more accessible than ever. From ebooks to online courses, the digital world offers amazing opportunities for earning income. But have you ever wondered which digital product could be your ticket to success? In today's video, we're delving into the world of digital entrepreneurship. We'll be exploring some incredible ways to earn money through digital products in 2024. From ebooks to online courses and even software, there's a whole universe of possibilities out there. So grab your cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into this journey together. Ebooks. Creating ebooks is one of the most effective ways to generate income through digital products. Ebooks provide an incredible avenue to share your expertise, passions, or creativity with a vast audience across the globe. Whether you possess knowledge in finance, expertise in fitness, or a knack for fiction, there exists an eager audience hungry for the insights and wisdom you have to offer. With the emergence of self-publishing platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, the process of writing, publishing, and selling your own ebooks has never been more accessible. Furthermore, once your ebook is available to the public, you have the potential to earn passive income as readers purchase and download your digital masterpiece, allowing you to reap the rewards of your hard work for years to come. Online courses. Offering online courses is another great way to earn money with digital products. In today's world, where knowledge is key, many people want to learn and grow. As an expert in your field, you can create online courses to share your knowledge with eager learners everywhere. Whether you're teaching photography, coding, or self-improvement, there's a demand for high-quality courses that deliver real results. With the right platform and marketing, you can build a successful online course business that helps others learn and grow while also earning you a steady income. Premium memberships. Premium memberships offer a unique opportunity to monetize your content and expertise while fostering a sense of community and exclusivity. By offering premium memberships, you can provide subscribers with access to exclusive content, resources, and community features that aren't available to non-members. Whether you're offering specialized guides, tutorials, or mastermind groups, premium memberships enable you to generate recurring revenue and build a loyal community of supporters. With the right membership plugin and content strategy, you can create a thriving membership site that provides value to your members while generating a steady stream of income. Tutorials and guides. Tutorials and guides present yet another wonderful opportunity for turning your expertise and knowledge into income. If you've got a bunch of helpful content tucked away in your lengthy articles or blog posts, why not transform them into downloadable guides or tutorials? Repurposing your existing content into digital products allows you to broaden your reach and monetize your expertise in an easy-to-access format. Whether you're offering detailed tutorials, comprehensive guides, or step-by-step how-to articles, there's a demand for valuable information presented in a downloadable form. With these tutorials and guides, you're not just sharing knowledge, you're also providing a solution to the problems your audience may be facing. Spreadsheets. Spreadsheets might not seem exciting, but they're super handy tools that can actually help you make money in different ways. If you're good at things like budgeting, analyzing data, or managing projects, you can design and sell customized spreadsheets to folks or companies who could use them. Whether it's templates for budgeting or checklists for SEO, there are tons of ideas to explore. And the best part? You don't need to spend a lot of money to create a spreadsheet. All you need is your know-how and creativity. By offering useful and practical spreadsheets, you can attract customers and set up a reliable source of passive income for yourself. WordPress plugins. WordPress plugins are like magic tools that can make your WordPress website do all sorts of cool things. They're like little add-ons that give your website superpowers, solving all kinds of problems or making things work just the way you want. If you're good at coding or have some great ideas for plugins, you can make and sell your own WordPress plugins to other website owners. It could be something really simple or something super fancy, Either way, people are always looking for new and exciting plugins to make their WordPress sites even better. With the right skills or a little help from a developer, you can create and sell plugins to earn money while helping others make their websites awesome. Software and mobile apps. In today's digital landscape, software and mobile apps are at the forefront of innovation, offering solutions to various needs and challenges. If you have a knack for software development or a groundbreaking app idea, you can create and sell software products or mobile apps to users worldwide. Whether it's productivity tools, gaming apps, or utility software, there's a vast market for innovative digital solutions. While developing software and apps may require technical expertise and investment, the potential for recurring revenue and widespread adoption makes it a promising venture. Website themes. WordPress. Themes serve as the foundation for millions of websites, providing design templates and customization options for users of all skill levels. If you have design skills or a flair for aesthetics, you can create and sell WordPress themes to website owners seeking unique and visually appealing designs. Whether you specialize in niche themes or multi-purpose templates, there's a demand for high-quality themes that cater to diverse preferences and industries. Digital art and graphics. Digital art and graphics encompass a wide range of creative assets, including logos, illustrations, icons, and design templates. If you're a talented artist or designer, you can create and sell digital art and graphics to individuals, businesses, and creative professionals. Whether you offer custom designs, pre-made assets, or design resources, there's a market for high-quality digital art that enhances visual content and branding efforts. By leveraging your artistic skills and creativity, you can establish a thriving business selling digital art and graphics online. Photography. Photography is a timeless art form that captures moments, emotions, and stories through stunning visuals. If you have a passion for photography and a portfolio of captivating images, you can sell your photos as digital products to individuals, businesses, and media outlets. Whether you specialize in landscapes, portraits, or lifestyle photography, there's a demand for high-quality images that resonate with audiences. By licensing your photos or selling them as prints, stock images, or digital downloads, you can monetize your passion for photography and reach a global audience of art enthusiasts and businesses. Video content. Video content has become increasingly popular in the digital landscape, offering engaging and immersive experiences for viewers. If you have a knack for videography or a talent for storytelling, you can create and sell videos as digital products to consumers, businesses, and content creators. Whether you produce educational tutorials, cinematic footage, or entertaining vlogs, there's a market for high-quality video content that entertains, educates, or inspires audiences. By monetizing your videos through subscriptions, pay-per-view models, or advertising revenue, you can turn your passion for video production into a lucrative online business. Conclusion. In conclusion, the digital landscape offers endless opportunities for entrepreneurs and creatives to monetize their skills, knowledge, and creativity through digital products. Whether you're writing ebooks, developing software, or capturing moments through photography, there's a digital product that aligns with your passions and expertise. By leveraging online platforms, tools, and marketing strategies, you can build a successful business selling digital products and create a sustainable source of income for yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Seize the opportunities ahead and embark on your journey to digital entrepreneurship today. Outro. Thank you for watching our guide on how to make money with digital products in 2024. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. For more insights, tips, and updates on digital entrepreneurship, stay tuned for more exciting content. And until next time, happy selling!